Hello, dear client. We would like to welcome you to our agency. At Premier Group Insurance, we do more than just sell you an insurance policy. We make it a reality and bring you some of the best prices in the market for your car, home, and business insurance. We do more to offer you the options that fit your daily needs. We appreciate all of our clients and understand that we would not be here without you. At Premier Group Insurance, we value the chance to serve you and provide options for your personal and commercial insurance needs. We work with some of the best companies and can provide different options to find the right combination of price and coverage that you're looking for. We're more than agents, we're insurance advisors. We can offer you policies for a low price, but we pride ourselves in being able to advise in English or Spanish and give you recommendations on the right coverage that you need. We have thousands of clients, and there isn't just one policy that works for everyone. We will help you find the best option that works for you, your family, and your business. Part of our service includes offering different levels of coverage that can fit your needs at competitive prices. From talking to our agents, you may notice how knowledgeable we are in personal and business insurance. We have our clients' needs in mind when assisting you in choosing the right insurance products that you would want to choose to cover your property. Our insurance advisors value your time and, of course, consider your economic stability. We want to help you find the insurance policy that will afford adequate protection in case of a covered claim. We know that an accident can affect you physically and financially if you don't carry the right coverage on your policy. In these cases, you may find that the price you paid for your policy feels like a secondary concern to the amount, type, and quality of your coverage. Having the right coverage in place can protect you after filing a claim from a financial loss, an associated lawsuit, and your belongings such as your house and your savings accounts. Let our insurance advisors explain your options to reduce some of your foreseeable risk in the future. PGI has your best interests at heart. We will explain a few of the questions that our insurance advisors face, like what is liability insurance? Liability is the legal responsibility that you may be assigned as a driver when you cause an accident. For example, Colorado requires that every driver carry a minimum of $25,000 for bodily injury or death to any one person in an accident cost for each person you injure, and a minimum of $50,000 for injuries or death to all persons in one accident. Colorado also requires $15,000 in property damage in any one accident that could be caused whether you hit a car, house, or other third-party property. These limits were adopted in 2003. The average cost of a car in the early 2000s was $21,000. How much did you spend on your car? Do you still think that carrying these minimum limits is a good idea? For example, if you're sitting at a traffic light and an accident occurs in the intersection in front of you, it is possible that the cars colliding will bounce off each other and could hit other cars, pedestrians, or third-party property. The person at fault now is considered responsible for the car that they hit, along with any other damage that they caused. These state minimum limits are likely to not go far in paying for the full accident, which can cause a financial strain on the person since they are likely to be responsible to pay for this damage out of pocket. What many people may not know is that uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage is optional in the state of Colorado. However, in Colorado, all insurers must provide uninsured and underinsured coverage in an amount equal to the policyholder's current level of liability coverage for bodily injury, unless this coverage is waived by the policyholder in writing. What we're trying to say is if another driver hits you and causes injuries when they do not carry insurance on their vehicles, this can leave you without any or with limited coverage for your medical expenses. You won't believe the amount of calls that we get with these types of situations, and we would hate for this to happen to you. According to the Rocky Mountain Insurance Information Association, approximately 16% of drivers on the road are driving without insurance. This is approximately 1 in every 6 drivers. If you opt out of uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage, you may be leaving yourself with few options on recovering your losses. Yes, the uninsured motorist is likely to face trouble with the law, but you may be left to pay your own medical expenses and could be left without a car. Also, there is a coverage that the state of Colorado would prefer for drivers to carry for injuries caused to you or your passengers in an accident. This medical payments coverage will offer a minimum of $5,000 with higher limits of up to $25,000 available in Colorado for their medical expenses that your passengers incur after an auto accident. Now, these last two coverages are often rejected, many times due to the other agents not explaining the importance of carrying such coverage with the goal of just offering you the lowest possible monthly price. At the end of the day, when you or a family member has the need to contact your insurance company, you could be faced with the facts that you may have opted out of this important insurance coverage. Talk to one of our insurance advisors and consider accepting better coverage at a good price rather than only looking for the lowest possible premium. On average, there are 6 million accidents each year in the US. Now, hopefully neither you nor your family will be part of these statistics, but in case it was to happen, take advantage of our expertise ahead of time so that you can have the best chance to come out of the potential accident with fewer out-of-pocket expenses, and also that you can get back to your normal life before the accident as soon as possible. To give you an example on how you can suffer without the right coverage, 2 years ago, my wife caused a rear-end collision on her way to work. The other driver was fine. The cars were still in good condition, and they were both able to drive off after exchanging insurance information. A couple of months later, we received a letter from a lawyer stating that we were being sued for $117,000. This is for the injuries caused to the other drivers. Our company ended up settling for $25,000, and I can tell you that he was not injured, but he was taking advantage of this accident and our insurance company. So don't think that this cannot happen to you. Unfortunately, there are lots of people out there looking for these types of incidents to benefit themselves on your behalf without a care of how this may affect your life. More than just offering you the best coverage options for your car, we also work hard to identify discounts available to you. Your biggest investment may be your home. We can offer homeowners insurance to cover your house in case of a fire, hail, vandalism, theft, and much more. One of the best possible discounts that we can provide is having your home and auto with the same insurance company. The multiple policy discount may offer up to 15% off on your home and auto insurance. If you rent, no problem. We can cover your belongings at your condo, apartment, or house. With a renter's policy, you can be more at ease when something happens to your property in or out of your rental. A renter's insurance policy may also offer a discount on your auto policy. And we dedicate ourselves on finding you the right coverage for your property, home, auto, and everything else. Just ask. With years of experience, we can find options for many of your needs, including business insurance. We don't want to just help cover your personal property, but we can talk about your business insurance policy as well. We understand that your company needs the right coverage for your operations. This coverage can help you transfer risk associated with claims pertaining to you, your employee services provided, or your products made. Our advisors will help you protect your business, employees, tools, cars, and many of your company needs. By covering your business assets, you are protecting the way you make a living, and we're proud to offer more. What we're trying to say is that we know that there are many different levels of coverage for your car, home, and business for you to choose from. We have access to many of the insurance companies that often have the best price, the best protection, or the right combination of the two. But whatever it is that you're looking for in your insurance, we believe that you can find it here. We want you to feel confident in the insurance coverages that you select. If you want the best price, we can offer that. But if you're willing to follow our advice, we believe that you will feel much better behind the wheel of your car, at your home, and working next to your employees with the right coverage. Let PGI ease your worries. Our advice comes from insurance advisors with more experience and more knowledge than most, and with genuine care and concern for you, your family, and your business. Now, we thank you for visiting our agency and hope that your visit was everything and more than you expected. Thank you for the confidence that you have in Premier Group Insurance, the agency that does so much more for our clients.